Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to transcribe using Descript. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and download and install the Descript application if you haven't already. After installing the application guys and opening it up, you will go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the application. As you can see at the left side of the screen, you can use all of these menu options that you can access, and here is the option that you will be using for creating your new project that you want to Descript and transcribe. So we are going to go ahead and click the new project button right here in the upper right corner, and this will now enable us to go ahead and create a new project. So guys, after creating your new project, you can go ahead and name it whatever you want. I'm going to just name it YouTube tutorial. And here you can see you have the option to select whatever you want. You can either choose a file that you already have recorded so you can transcribe it, or you can start your own recording. You can even write and start from a template. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and start my own recording. So guys, I'm going to be showing you right now how to do it. When you select your file, it will automatically start transcribing it. So guys, you can see if you choose a file, it will do the same, but I'm going to go ahead and start recording it guys. As you can see, now I'm only recording audio, and I'm going to be showing you right now with a demonstration how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead, start recording, and you can see how it works. So as you can see, it's starting, and now as you can see guys, the application has started recording. Yeah guys, let's go and add the recording. As you can see, it will automatically transcribe everything that I'm talking about in the recording. As you can see, it says right here, as you can see here guys, the application has started recording. It will do the same thing for your audio file that you upload if you have not recorded the audio file here directly. It will work the exact same thing. But yeah guys, basically that's how you transcribe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.